Sharon Hammond is the chairwoman for Bamberg County on this wonderful day. Exciting announcement.
This is a wonderful day for Bamberg County. 70 jobs. We need them.
Well, let's talk about the facility behind you. What was this at one time?
This was Rockland. They made fabric that goes, you know how you have your blackout curtains?
Mm-hmm.
They
Yes.
did that kind of manufacturing for blackout curtains. And it sustained so many families in this community for years.
Right. And you said that you're so excited because you've got the jobs coming and they're so needed in Bamberg County. So it was a long time coming, this project, circular?
Long time coming, yes. Long time coming.
And-
And we welcome them.
Dr. Jonathan Goodman is with us. He is on Bamberg County Council. Born and raised in Bamberg County, went to high school here, went off to college, and you're back. Why?
Well, one of the reasons that I came back was to try and make a difference in the community. Originally started off in the school system to try and be a role model for our youth, and then it transcended into getting into county council to try and make a difference for our community that we have here on the county level. So,
And Dr. Goodman, you've been on county council for 6 years now. Have you seen a lot of progress in bringing jobs here? And of course, the announcement today is very exciting for the county.
yes, it's kind of like a big ship. You know, we can't turn it around all at once, but I can definitely see some positive strides where over the last 6 years we have moved toward bringing in industry and trying to keep them. So not only do we want to bring them in, but we would like to retain and make sure this is a great place for them to grow.
And how was county council involved in this acquisition and this investment, this project circular?
Well, you know, from day one, of course, we had to vote to make sure that it was okay to be a part of the agreement to come into the county councils. And then also just supporting the opportunity for it to grow here. We've been out here multiple times on tours and talking with the inner community and finding out what their needs are, and then trying to do what we can to make sure they have what they need.
And I understand this is a special agreement where they will be paying fees instead of property taxes. And again, that's to incentivize companies to come into the county.
Yeah, it's called fee in lieu of, and like you said, is to incentivize because, you know, we have to fight against larger counties, larger communities in order to have these type of acquisitions come to Bamberg County. But once that is taken care of, then they will be on an appropriate fee schedule, and it will ultimately offset some of the taxes burden that we have in the county.
So are you proud of what's going on today, sir?
Very much so. I think this is a paramount decision, a paramount overtaking that we are experiencing and witnessing here in Bamberg County, and hopefully this will be one of many more to come.
We have Michelle Martin with us. She is a nurse and she is also on Bamberg County Council. Big day for the county.
Yes, we're super excited about this plant opening. I think it's one of those things where we're bringing in some industry, so it's good for everybody to see that, and we have more jobs coming to the area.
And so the county council was involved in the acquisition. It is kind of a different arrangement with a kind of a fees instead of property tax. Was that tough to convince the county council to go in this direction?
No, ma'am, because right here in this rural area, it's sometimes difficult to bring industry here. But I think with some of the buildings we have and us just wanting to open up the job opportunity and keep some of our resources here in the county instead of people getting jobs elsewhere and taking the money elsewhere, we're hoping that this is going to be kind of an insight for other industries to kind of take a look at the rural area.
So how excited are you?
I'm pretty excited today. Even though I got to go to work after this, I'm excited to be here, and I'm excited for everybody just to see it and for the communities to see that this is an opportunity to take advantage of these opportunities that we have here. If you want to work local, this is the time to do it.
Okay. Spencer Donaldson is on Bamberg County Council. Again, exciting day for Bamberg County, long time in coming, and I know the county council had a lot to do with it.
Right. We're great for the opportunity for them to come to the county. When the plant closed down here, a lot of people was dislocated. So these people came to Bamberg and found an opportunity to help our county grow.
Everett Comer is also on Bamberg County Council. It's a great day for Bamberg County.
That's correct. It's one of the greatest days for Bamberg County in quite a while. This is a grand occasion, I got to say. And we're so happy that this industry has come, and we look forward to doing great things with them as we partner with them and help them to be really successful in what they are embarking to do.
Kay Maxwell is the Vice President of Marketing for Southern Carolina Alliance, and we are in this amazing building that is being transformed into this new company in Bamberg County. So exciting. What was y'all's role?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Southern Carolina Alliance, of course, is responsible for marketing and industrial recruitment for the area. And so we work with these prospective companies to help incentivize projects, to help them with their startups. And we interface with the local and state government in that regard. So we worked closely with the State Department of Commerce, as well as the county government and city government in this particular project. But I wanted to add, Robin, I'm a resident of Bamberg.
That's right.
So
I
I live in this
Yes.
town.
Yeah.
So 70 jobs is huge in a small town that has about 3,000 people. So we're very excited to see this project underway.
We talked with the mayor earlier, and he said that his dad actually worked for the company that was here years
wow.
ago. And so it's very meaningful to so many people that were here today. And as we look to the future, I mean, this company is a very interesting company.
Yes.
They make these blocks for
Yes.
the different paddocks or whatever.
Yes, so this is very interesting. This building was occupied for decades by a textile plant. It was called Rockland Industries. And as you know, a lot of the textile industry left the Southeast when NAFTA was passed. And so this building has been shuttered. It was one of the last textile companies standing in this region of South Carolina. But when this company closed, sometimes it's really hard to resell an old textile building. And what's so neat about this project is you're talking about sustainability all the way around. They're revitalizing an old textile building. They are taking wood chips and plastic pellets from other products that are being recycled to create these new, stronger, more sustainable blocks that go within the pallet. And it's making the wood pallet more sustainable. It'll increase the lifespan of the pallet. So it's just a win-win all the way around. And in the meantime, you're creating great jobs.
Right. And Gibbs International what really was the facilitator with all of this in the beginning,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes. So this company is actually a subsidiary of Gibbs International. So we're very grateful to Mr. Gibbs and his team.